Hello everyone, this is Dr. Fish. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you real quickly how do you create and open a document. So I'm going to go right here where it says apps, and I'm just assuming you've already logged into your 365 account. So I'm going to click right there, and I'm going to click on Microsoft Word. It's going to bring us to this page, and it's fairly simple, fairly straightforward. We can create a blank document right there. Now, before I go there, I just do want you to see real quickly, there are templates in here, several different types of templates, everything from a letter to invoices, business documents. As a matter of fact, there should be, let's see, I'm going to type resume. Yeah, there's a resume template in here. I would caution against resumes that have a whole lot of busyness going on. Colors, I probably would not use my own picture. That's just the truth. They tend to judge you that way. Anyway, let's go to create a blank document. And it's going to open up Microsoft Word. Now, it may ask you to log in, or it may or may not, but it should bring you to this point. So in another video, I mentioned the importance of changing your ribbon, the view of your ribbon, because right now you don't see a whole lot, right? You know, unless you come up here and you click File, and then you see all this big drop down. Unless you like this particular view, that's fine. But what I prefer is for my ribbon to be open all the time. And so what I'm going to do is click on View, and let me move something out of the way because I got something in the way right now. That's why I'm having difficulty. And so you'll probably be defaulted to what's called the single ribbon, right? Which what you want to do, yours normally is defaulted to this particular view. So what you want to do is click right here and choose Classic Ribbon. And the other thing I would probably do in doing that, let me go back. Click back there again. Aside from clicking Classic Ribbon, if you're like me, I always like to see my ribbon. I don't like all that going up and down, and especially if you're new to this, you may not be used to that. Some of you who are not new to this, you've been doing it for a while, you're used to the ribbon disappearing, you know how to manipulate the ribbon and bring it back. But others, if you want to just always show your ribbon, it's right here. Just like we chose Classic Ribbon, you want to choose this right here, Always Show Ribbon. And that way, it will never disappear. You know, it's like, who moved my cheese? Where is it? Yeah, seriously. Again, if those of you who are new to this, the online version of it, you're not really used to it, that can cause some confusion. So you want to keep the ribbon visible. Trust me, it makes life a whole lot easier for you. So make sure you watch there's another video where I show you the differences between the online version, which is what you're looking at here, and the desktop version. There's a big difference, distinct difference between the two. So that's how you create a blank document in Microsoft Word. It's fairly simple. And let me show you one more thing. I'm going to move this out of the way. I got something in the way that you can't see, but I can. So anytime you need to, let's say you want to, and there are other options here if you notice, if you want to create a new one, you can click New Blank Document. If you want to create a copy of this, it'll save a copy of it here online, and you can also download this. Now, more importantly, it's the name, which is right here. It's fairly simple. You can rename this right here as whatever, I don't know. Call it my whatever, first document, or whatever you want to name it. And then just click anywhere else, and it'll automatically save it for you, and it names you renamed your document. So that's how you open up a blank document. And I probably went one step further, but that's okay. And I showed you even how to rename this particular document, among other things. All right. If you have any questions for me, let me know. I'm here for you.